You don't need to be the loudest in the room to win the negotiation. Harvard negotiators have studied thousands of deals, and they've discovered one core truth: you don't get what you deserve, you get what you negotiate. In this video, I'll show you how the world's best negotiators get what they want without manipulation, force, or fake confidence. From billion-dollar mergers to hostage crises, these principles work across the board. We'll break down the Harvard method of negotiation into 5 steps, so you can walk into any room, any Zoom call, or any deal, and walk out respected and rewarded. 1. Separate the people from the problem. The first mistake most people make in negotiation: they take it personally. Breakdown. Focus on the issue, not the person. Use language like, "I respect your position, here's what I'm working with." De-escalate tension by shifting from conflict to collaboration. Emotion makes you defensive, strategy keeps you persuasive. Pro tip: people are not the enemy. The issue is. 2. Focus on interests, not positions. Positions are what people say they want. Interests are why they want it. Example: I want $100,000. This is a position. I want to feel secure and valued. This is the interest. Use questions like, "What's most important to you in this? If that's off the table, what else matters?" Pro tip: when you discover their why, you unlock creative solutions. 3. Invent options for mutual gain. Don't just split the difference, create more difference. Harvard insight: great negotiators don't fight over the pie, they expand it. Examples: add value with time, flexibility, bonuses, partnerships, terms. Offer multiple packages, let them choose. Trade things that cost you little but mean a lot to them. Pro tip: more options equals more power. 4. Use objective criteria. Fair doesn't mean emotional, fair means evidence. Strategies: use third-party standards, market data, comps, law, policies. Frame it as joint problem-solving, not one-sided pressure. Say, "Let's look at what others in this situation have done successfully." Pro tip: when people feel it's fair, they stop fighting and start agreeing. 5. Know your BATNA, best alternative to a negotiated agreement. Never negotiate without knowing your walkaway plan. What to do? Identify your best backup plan. Strengthen it before the negotiation. Don't show desperation. Confidence comes from options. Pro tip: your BATNA is your silent strength. Bonus: how Harvard negotiators build influence. Influence isn't about pressure, it's about trust. They ask more than they speak. Mirror tone and body language. Slow down in high-stakes moments. Stay calm, especially when others get emotional. Focus on long-term relationships, not short-term wins. Pro tip: be someone they want to negotiate with again. Final takeaway: the world doesn't reward who's loudest, it rewards who's prepared, calm, and strategic. Harvard negotiators don't manipulate, they listen, they create value, they walk in with clarity and walk out with results. This is Motivata, where we turn high-performance skills into real-world success. If you want to master negotiation, communication, and influence, support us by subscribing now and comment below. Which Harvard tactic are you going to use first? Let's negotiate smarter.